Okay.
I'm not the first person to get married. I'm tired of this story.
Well?
No, now let love live.
Pastor, I'm doing my best.
You can do better. If you don't consider anybody, consider this your son. You see? Let me see. Let me tell you. See, you are the wife. You should be submissive. So you think because the pastor came, there's not going to be peace? You know that.
What is the problem? When you came to marry my sister, I told you. She has constoy. You have to take it easy.
Are you playing?
I brought drink.
Please talk to your sister.
Please.
Talk to your sister.
Please,
You want to report me to your brother? No, you want your brother to fight me. You know I cannot love you. You know I cannot love you.
My lord.
You know I cannot marry you. Why the devil that thing are you marrying me?
as your son, this whole situation is affecting my mental health. Don't you know that? Of course, it's okay to disagree occasionally as husband and wife. Think about our family.
But you have to talk to your mother first.
This is one.
You have to talk to your mother first. You have to let her behave like a woman. She's not behaving like a wife. Are you the only woman? I don't want to talk to you again. Please, I don't want to talk. I'm tired. Let me just watch news.
Later that night.
I made your favorite. Or should I add more meat?
It's your meat that I want.
I am leaving.
This is playing.
You know what to do. You are just making it look like you and somebody are fighting.
Baby, Flo, why did you get scared?
What happened? Why should I get scared?
You're supposed to do like
I was supposed to do like this.
Yes.
For what reason? I know you were here now.
We are go back inside. Let's do it again. Go back. Let's do it again. Be serious.
I should go back inside and I should fear.
Yes.
I should fear again. I should get scared.
Yes.
Okay, oh, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. What's that? Hey!
Flo. What happened? She be saying you should be scared. Yeah. What happened?
You said I should get scared now.
So why are you falling down?
I was trying to be scared now. Very scared.
Baby, no, I don't want. Go inside. Do it very sensible. Be scared. Yeah.
I was trying to please you now. You said
Baby, don't please me enough like that.
Baby, do you know what happened? Let's wait. After this match, eh?
No, Flo.
What do you want?
Go back, let's do it again. Baby!
Okay.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Wait a minute.
We come in peace to witness violence, not to partake in it in any form.
This is
We do not support the
Oppressors.
nor do we feel sorry for the
Oppressed.
and we won't tolerate peace on this ground.
Never.
So as I was saying, the last week.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. This relationship is an epic failure.
Yes, it is. Just like a failed career.
I don't want peace.
What be this?
Bros, now my new song where I want drop. How you see am now?
Oh yeah.
This na noise now.
Reverse. Now here it happen.
Violence! Instead of music and noise. I live for this. This violence needs fuel.
Young comrade, you see this? This is the passion for violence. You know, follow him, you take him on. Follow him.
The violent ones are not yet born. You guys can't keep fighting like this all the time. Yeah!
What is that?
Embrace peace.
Now do you kill Papa?
I come in peace. Oh yeah.
Show this guy better.
Wait, who invited you here?
Yeah! With the PUK on your face.
Same reason your wife left you.
Cho.
Why don't you use the same cho to save your marriage?
Comrade, hold me tight. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Sir, we need backup for this violence.
Baba, you joke.
Shut the fuck up! You smoke my weed, I saw you and they say nah. I didn't smoke my weed, I will beat you, nigga. Get your ass down, and you. Why you took my cocaine?
Sorry.
You do not sold me back, nigga. Why you took my cocaine? I need back my cocaine. I don't want to talk again, you. I need my weed, nigga. Alright? My cousin Z. God damn it.
What up, G? Cool.
You niggas lucky.
What up, G? Cool.
What's up, G?
What up, cuz?
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Alright?
Can I have water with you?
Right now?
Yeah.
I was made those times. Yo, nigga, this is not over. When I'm backing in my shit here, my cocaine and weed, nigga, fuck you. Fuck. I need my shit back. Alright? How my cousin? How you doing?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Man, I'm hungry.
Why you not eat?
Since morning, G.
God damn it, man. Why you be, nigga?
Man, I miss my shoulder and somebody wanna kill me.
What the fuck, nigga? You not eat and somebody shot you, try to kill you, die hungry?
That's the problem.
Motherfucker, nigga. Did you see the face, nigga?
Man, you know me.
I know you.
I can't take care of myself.
God damn it, man. It's okay. What you want to eat, my cousin?
Anything for my cousin.
God damn it. Yo, you nigga.
Yo.
Do not yo me. Do not yo me. Just go get food for my cousin.
Okay.
Do not okay me.
Sorry.
Sorry, do not sorry me. Do you remember him?
That's Kendrick, huh?
Yeah. Kendrick is big now, nigga.
Big man.
And he's doing good on the street, you know.
I see.
Yeah, I just tried to take him since his mom passed away, you know.
I know you.
Yeah. But he's crazy. Yesterday tried to show somebody outside there.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's why I'm mad. Yo, nigga. What are you waiting for, motherfucker? Just go get a food. Do not come down me, nigga.
What are you doing that for your fellas?
I'm doing it for you, my cousin. What are you waiting for?
Can we sit now?
We can, nigga. Let's go.
Thank you.
Hello, Jennifer. Don't call me. Don't call me. I got the fast. No.
I beg now.
Until I feel fasting.
You know go spoil your fasting now.
Hello. I'm unavailable.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 And I'm sorry for who won't be my matter. Sorry, I'm only human. So make nobody para. Like say I carry woman. She na man with.
Run.
What the minute? Okay. You don't want?
Something way bad for this shit. Hey, la. So now because of bad map, all this one they wrong. I want Siri.
Okay.
Okay.
What the minute? Jesus.
You are in a deep soup.
You don't want?
Good.